Can you get down? Oh my goodness. That was a dive. Are you gonna get down? No? Are you coming down? Come on. You need some help? Huh? Can you do it on your own? Come on. Is this turning your back on me treatment? Come on. I'll go get down. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll come down. What? Fluff ball. Come on. Well, you're gonna do it. Come on. Come on, you got up there. Come on, you can come down. Sissy got down. Are you gonna come down? We got it figured out yet? Come on. Come on, itty bitty. Come on, itty bitty. Whoops. Stepped on somebody. Come on. Come on, itty bitty. Velcro. Oh, yeah, that's good. Go higher. Come on. Sissy's down here in Mama's paperwork. Zipper. Zipper. Hi. Where's Britt's little sister? Here she is. Still stuck up there. You want some help? Huh? You want some help? Okay. Oh my goodness. How about the next shelf? Can you get down from there? Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh goodness. Just when you almost did it. That's kind of cheating. Oh! Goober. Okay, we're safe now.